Yes, my brothers, my sisters, I believe that all of you have seen what happened, what Asale Dokubo is doing in Igbo land. Since where them killed this innocent boy, Ohanes and Igbo have never yet spoken, condemned this act. I no see any strong Igbo politician that rise up to speak against this innocent boy that Asale Dokubo boys killed. Wait, I'm trying to share something here. Please, you people should have patience for me, please. I want to share some. Okay, so as I was saying, we need justice for this brother. If we keep quiet, they will continue doing this. This thing will still continue happening in Igbo land. Now, if you watch this video well, because most of you send me message on WhatsApp and I forward the video to you people. When the time where they pursue this guy, then they go with that guy. One security man have bullets. That bullet is like all these chain bullets. One bullet, only one bullet like this chain. All this AK-47 bullet or chain bullet. The man throw him for ground. Later tell the other guy make he pick him. But now the same security man, now he throw that bullet down. He tell the other guy, oh yeah, bring the bullet. Then bring the bullet. Then later slaughter this our brother. Think about this thing. If now you, where they hear my voice now, where they do this kind of thing, how will you feel? If now your brother, where they do this, how will you feel? Will you be happy? And all the Igbo politicians, all of them keep quiet. No one of them condemn this thing that's happening. Now me and you will stand up. Now me and you will stand up. Because if you are looking to them, they may keep quiet. Because they didn't know happen to their children. They didn't know happen to their children. They didn't know happen to their children. They don't care for the poor people. They don't care for the poor people. This innocent guy, I wonder how their family will be feeling right now. It's one innocent guy that went to fetch water. He went to fetch water. From fetching water, these security Asale Dokubo boys and the whole Uzodinma security then capture the guy. Carry allegation. Your hand be like your hand be like your hand resemble the people where they should go. Then carry that boy, kill that boy without no single evidence. Then kill that boy, and nobody is talking about it. The video is flying online. The video is flying online, and nobody is talking about it. All our Igbo politicians, all of them keep quiet. Look at what we are passing through. Asale Dokubo, the kind of punishment that God will punish you, Asale Dokubo, God Almighty must punish you for all this evil that you are doing in Igbo land. God just expose these people. If they no video this thing now, we may not understand. Nobody will understand. Because we are hearing they are killing innocent youth in Imo State. But this one, now them use their hand to video it, post it online. That is how God want to expose these people. That is the way God want to expose them. Now then use their hand, video the boy. After they video the boy, After they kill the boy, they post it. God want to use this video to expose these boys that Asari Dokubo are bringing in this Igbo land. When Niger Delta, and if you watch this video, that na two guys where they slaughter. After they slaughter the other one, then then tie the boy with rope, and either then tie him with rope for leg. Them tie the rope on the machine. Then they drive the boy. Just they go up and down. And the one security guy, he get one statement when that guy made. He said to those dead body, because after they kill these two boys, he tell them, "Ona say Igodo ni Igodo na Biafra. Are we telling you we are part of Biafra?" I don't know where Amara Meben has Igodo ni Igodo. Igodo ni Igodo is Niger Delta, but I don't know the particular state. Either Igodo ni Igodo or Igodo ni Igodo, something like that. You people are saying that Igodo ni Igodo is Biafra. You 40 states. You people have five states. The security guy was telling the guy, when I talk say Igodo ni Igodo is part of Biafra, that you people are claiming that you wanna have 40 states, no only 5 states wanna have. That is envy. Envy. Are we fighting Biafran war? Igodo ni Igodo. Then just wickedness. I told you people, all you people that are saying that these people are part of Biafra, they are part of Biafra. I'm telling you people that these people are not happy with you. But I don't want to go that side. I don't want to go that side. But please, if anybody know the family of this guy, let that person send me a message on WhatsApp. If anybody know the family of this guy, let that person send me a message on WhatsApp, please. It's very important. And as you are watching this video, please make sure that you share this video, please. As you are watching this video, make sure that you share this video. Help us or them even know condemn this thing. Everybody keep quiet. No, we're not going to keep quiet about this thing, because if we keep quiet, something like this will continue happening. God just want to expose these people. That God expose them. Assuming if we don't see this thing now, as they maybe if them after they kill the boy, if them snap the boy picture, post it online, say this boy no non-government, everybody could believe no non-government. They may carry all this juju something, tie the boy for West. Family can only hear juju, all this if juju. They may carry him, tie the boy here, saying that the boy wear them for body. We may believe because we don't see the thing where we don't see the thing where the thing happened. Yes. Assuming if you will not see this thing now, they snap the picture, post and say this boy no non-government. They may even carry gun, put for their ground, snap 2 of them picture. We go believe. Do you see how these people are slaughtering innocent Igbo youths? Do you see how Asari Dokubo, when Asari Dokubo was bombing pipeline, saying they are fighting for their lives for Niger Delta? No Igbo person stand up, working with federal government, maybe arrange some Igbo youth to go that place to fight against Niger Delta militant. Igbo leave them. Igbo people no join to fight against Niger Delta. But this guy, Asari Dokubo, stand up because of the money they give to him. He come to fight against Biafran people in Igbo land, slaughtering innocent people. Slaughtering innocent youth will not do anything. Killing innocent youth will not do anything. That is what Asari Dokubo is doing. But when Niger Delta militant was fighting their light bombing pipeline, no Igbo person organized youth here. Then carry the youth to go to their state to fight Niger Delta militant. But he's fighting Igbos because of the money that he received from the federal government of Nigeria. I have said it before, the way God, Asari Dokubo, God must punish you. You must receive the punishment for all this thing that you are doing. You must receive punishment for all this thing that you are doing, Asari Dokubo. You must receive the punishment. You must receive the punishment. Please, my brother, my sister, let's all make sure that you share this video. If anybody know the family of this guy, Habo in Imo State, let that person call me on WhatsApp. Let that person send me a message on WhatsApp. I need to Talk with them, please. I got one kid if I know like that. No, we don't keep quiet going on like that, because if we keep quiet, the thing will continue going on. Go on and watch video now. This kind of thing we can make it tomorrow. If we do not stand up to condemn this thing may happen to you. It may happen to your brother. It may happen to your brother. It may happen to your brother. Assuming you are with your brother in the house and your brother want to go and fetch water. As your brother will go to fetch water, the next thing that you hear that then kill your brother, what will you do? How will you feel? How will you feel? How will you feel? Will you feel happy? Will you feel happy? So we need to stand up for this our brother. We need to stand up for this our brother. We need to stand up for this our brother. Because if we keep quiet, this thing will continue happening. Aside the kobo, the how God will punish you. The way that God will punish you aside the kobo. For all this evil that you are doing in Igbo land, God must punish you. All this innocent blood where you are shedding in Igbo land, all this innocent blood that you are shedding, God must punish you for all this thing that you're doing. Because whatever a man sowed in this life, you must reap what you sowed. You must reap what you sowed. Governor Hopus and them must reap what he sowed. Aside the kobo must reap what he sowed. Let me end this video here. Thank you and God bless you. Please make sure that you share this video. Please make sure that you share this video. Justice for this our brother that outside the Kobo boy is killed. This innocent boy, no do anything. We no commit any crime. He went to go and fetch water. From fetching water, then capture him, kill him. You get the other person where they kill, but there's no video how they kill the other person. The other person may be innocent person. Then just kill him. Just killing anybody they want to kill. But God Almighty must punish all these people that are doing this thing in Igbo land. Thank you and God bless you. I'm still your brother, Evangelist